New reports indicate that President Trump and his administration are currently eyeing Julie Kirchner, former director of the Federation for American Immigration Reform, to replace current director of U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, Francis Cissna. The move comes as Trump has made his plans clear to move his immigration policies in a tougher direction, and comes on the heels of the departure of former DHS Secretary Kirstjen Nielsen. The shakeups indicate the president's desire to keep with his plans of a tougher policy towards the growing crisis at the U.S.-Mexico border, with Kirchner being seen as a hardliner regarding her position on immigration. From the Daily Caller, President Donald Trump is reportedly not done shaking up immigration leadership in his administration, and is mulling whether to replace the head of U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, Francis Cissna, the director of U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, might be dismissed from his position by the end of this week, according to sources who spoke with Politico. In his place, the White House might be considering Julie Kirchner, the former executive director of the Federation for American Immigration Reform, FAIR. A non-profit organization based in Washington, D.C., FAIR advocates for the reduction of both legal and illegal immigration. Kirchner worked with the group from 2005 to 2015, and served as its executive director from 2007 to 2015. She later got involved with the Trump administration, and was appointed as USCIS ombudsman in May 2017. Along with the agency's top post, Kirchner has also been considered for USCIS deputy director. FAIR has no information regarding any positions to which Julie Kirchner may be appointed by President Trump, FAIR President Dan Stein said in a statement to the Daily Caller News Foundation on Wednesday, but we can unequivocally vouch for her as one of the most professional, competent, circumspect, deliberative and fair-minded people we have ever known. All who know her would certainly agree. Kirchner's possible ascension in USCIS, an agency that handles the country's immigration and naturalization services, is seen as part of Trump's larger push to move in a tougher direction on immigration. The president, frustrated over the worsening immigration crisis, pulled acting Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) Ron Vitiello's nomination to lead the agency April 4, and he accepted Homeland Security Secretary Kirstjen Nielsen's resignation a few days later. Claire Grady, the acting Deputy Secretary for Homeland Security, handed in her resignation Tuesday.